Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my raw and natural English learning journey. This is my second attempt. I most of the perform only one attempt, maximum one attempt. But sometime it's happened. क्योंकि because I am original, I am natural, so that's why I I always keep only one attempt for my natural English learning journey. So guys, today is day 367. Yes. So today I want to share one important thing which is my weak point. So last day I download around 25 videos from different categories, from different channels, and my purpose was to improve my listening. So I just download my interest relevant videos, and once I started to listen the videos, the English level was really high. So even I once I spent to listening, so I realize I have a really weak listening power, and even I'm not able to understand 95% of a 17 minutes video. Yes, it's a really big question for me, because listening, it's a really important thing. I can speak, I can convey my message in a nice way, but my listening power is really weak. And the most important thing, I am not spending time for listening. And I used to spend time for writing, I used to spend time for speaking. Yes, daily basis I spend time more than 10 minutes, more than 20 minutes for speaking. This is my camera practice, and some of my practice offside the camera. So how? Because I produce content. For my content, I love to generate my video description naturally. So I give data to AI, and AI refine my original thought into a masterpiece. So the point is, listening is a really important thing. So this is my second year has started. First uh, first year has successfully done I successfully done 365 days, 1 year done successfully. Now I am working for second year. Yes. So I believe this is my phase 2. Yes, phase 2. I believe phase 2 English. The nice word is phase 2 English. Phase 1 English was first year, and now this is phase 2. This is my specific word for my journey. So in this phase, my focus, this is my phase 2, year 2. So my focus is to improve my listening. My focus is to spend time for listening and writing. Yes. And stretch and sentence and structure uh, building. Yes, structure building. My focus is to work for structure building, sentence building. So working for the vocabulary, so I can improve my English level in a high position. So I now, it's still required time, many time required, but my direction is really nice. And the important thing, my consistency. A lot of people fail because they can't keep consistency, and they can't perform speaking on daily basis, because it's easy, but for some people it's impossible, because they think speaking English on daily basis it's really hard, but actually it's easy. And it's all depends on your choices. Like, this is morning time, I want to show time. So guys, see date and time. And I right now, I'm in my room indoor, I'm performing indoor practice. See, you can see the time and date. The time is 8:03 a.m. and the date is 03 August 2025. So I just produce my content early. Most of the time I done my video relevant work specifically for English I used to done early morning, and this makes myself keep consistent. So my opinion to the people, the beginner, those are really doing effort for practicing on daily basis, I highly recommend it. Set your timetable for morning time for your English speaking. It's a really nice time because the all religions, including my religion, I'm Muslim. I believe all the religions having the same mindset about the morning time having a more blessings. So morning time you have to you can't you can't you just you can just save yourself from interruptions like left right interruptions. Sometimes a lot of people feel shame because they think weak, or even some people feel shame from their own family members. So this is a big question for the beginner, so I highly recommend it. Just follow the morning time. It's a really important and nice strategy for starting the English speaking. And this is my English day 367, and this is my raw and original and natural and pure unedited zero filter English learning journey. And love you so much. And today is 03 August 2026, and the day is Monday, and the time is 8:05 a.m. And bye, and see you tomorrow with new energy, with new thought. Before closing, I want to show date and time. So you can see date and time. This is only for your trust. So guys, love you so much, and stay honest and work for long goals. Work for yourself, self development, personal development, skill development. Thank you and love you and bye. I am working for my personal development. I don't care about the subscriber because this is my learning phase. Thank you and bye. And I know one day I will monetize my this channel. Thank you and bye. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much and love you.